both want the exact same thing.
You want to take my other eye. That's what you want.
Well, yes, but do you know why I want it?
Because you're old and mean and cruel.
Oh, no, that's a little harsh. As long as you cling to that silly, useless eye, you can't come up to live with me in the heavens. You'll be stuck down here in this hell, staring with that lonely eye at hate and heartache and suffering and death. I want to take you where none of those things. It'll just be you with your family, where you belong.